Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao dito sa interview ni J.O., no? At actually, talagang dapat no excuses na talaga dito sa laban na ito dahil baka panghuli na. Pag-uusapan po natin yan at pag-usapan din natin kung sino daw itong kalaban ni Jimwell Pacquiao, mukhang malakas. At alam mo, hindi lang pala ito pro boxer. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano at expectation natin sa laban ni Pedro Taduran. Yan, pagkatapos ng introduction.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Magandang araw po ang ating boxing update. Pag-uusapan ngayon itong interview ni J.O. Piplay ko lang J.O. courtesy of you. Na natuwaan ko dito, sinalubong si Manny Pacquiao at syempre pinagtatanong kagad siya dito tungkol kay Floyd Mayweather. Lalo na yung sinabi ni Floyd Mayweather na exhibition at meron pang isang taga-fight hype na nagsabi kasi na naka-interview din sila mismo to kay Floyd Mayweather na sinabi na exhibition. Ngayon, bahala na kayo kung sino paniniwalaan nyo. Ang sabi ni Manny Pacquiao, pro-fight at hindi siya lalabang kung exhibition lang. Agree ka ba? Miski karamihan ng mga boxing fans, pag exhibition lang yan, parang medyo nakakatamlay ng konti. Siyempre, Manny Pacquiao pa rin yan, tsaka Floyd Mayweather. Alam kong meron pa rin yung interest, pero siyempre, mas malaki ang kita kung tunay na laban. Siyempre, may kasamang arena plus pustahan. Di ba? Please message me. September pa naman yan. May pag-asa pang makapag-training ng mas matindi itong si Floyd Mayweather. Huwag siya mahadlok. Yan tuloy, sinabihan siya ni Oscar De La Hoya na mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung video. Pero ito muna.
Compared to the first fight?
I have the improve and better strategy
Improve and better strategy.
than the last one.
I know
Wow.
something you've been wanting for a very long time. I know you felt that that first fight wasn't, the best of you, right?
Yes. This time, no excuse.
Manny, you're
This time, no excuse. I like the mindset, Manny. Siyempre, I think we all understand, especially Manny Pacquiao, this could be his last opportunity, not only for a big fight, his last opportunity against Floyd Mayweather. Now, kahit na ano sabihin ng iba na wala na sa prime, tapos na, panis na, still, a win is a win, and a defeat and a record of defeat on Floyd Mayweather is still a record of defeat. No? Kahit i-play down pa yan ng mga iba, again, it's more than just money. It's, kumbaga, pag may rival ka, no? Parang hindi ka makakatulog talaga hanggat di mo matalo yung rival mo. And I think that's the mindset of Manny Pacquiao. Talunin itong si Floyd Mayweather. And no excuse this time. Speaking of no excuse, ito, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, ito po si Oscar De La Hoya. I-load ko lang dito ngayon. Oscar De La Hoya, nakakatawa talaga to. Ito.
I wasn't going to do a clapback, but all the news on Mayweather, Pacquiao, potentially falling apart. I mean, I have to say this. Mayweather, come on, dude. Fight a real fight. You're still trying to protect your O? Yes, you're 50-0 on paper, but people know you've lost.
Okay.
Shit, your own father said you lost against me back when we fought. And what's crazy is that people don't know that we had a rematch clause.
Itong nakakatawa. Ito, hindi ako makapaniwala din. Na nakagawa ng paraan itong si Floyd Mayweather na makaiwas sa rematch clause. Kasi sabi dito ni Oscar De La Hoya, may 1-year rematch clause daw yung laban nila. Siyempre, kailangan i-honor ni Floyd. Pero ito ang ginawa ni Floyd.
For 1 year. And what do? Your pussy ass retires for 1 year and 1 day.
Ba? Nag-retire uli for 1 year and 1 day para lang di maka-rematch. Hay nako, Floyd. Sa tingin nyo ba umiiwas na si Floyd kay Manny Pacquiao? Paano yan? Nakapirma na siya. Ibig sabihin yan, kailangan niyang makademanda ng breach of contract ito si Floyd. Mas malaki naging problema niya. Marami nga nagsasabi na kaya nga lumaban niya, medyo nauubos na daw ang kayamanan. Yung kanyang gym, na isang gym niya, tinake over na ni Manny Pacquiao. Baka pati record ma-take over. Yun ang I think there's a lot of stake for Floyd Mayweather, syempre. Manny Pacquiao din. And a win for Manny Pacquiao regardless of what happens, regardless of their age, will still be written in history. Speaking of history, Pedro Taduran lalaban sa Amerika, no? Against Perez. I expected Pedro Taduran to win. At yung anak ni Manny Pacquiao, kaya stateside ngayon si Manny, no? He's expected to watch the fight sa Pechanga Arena. And Jimel Pacquiao is fighting against a bare knuckle fighter. 36 years old, may edad na, pero alam naman natin, medyo, syempre, pag ganyang may experience na, it's still gonna be a difficult fight. I expect dito na Jimel ang manalo, but if hindi na naman maganda ipakita nito, this is gonna be parang ang hirap kasi pag ikaw ay anak ng Manny Pacquiao. The last time though, na I don't think they're happy with the performance do sa last na laban ni Jimel Pacquiao. In fact, sabi pa nga ni Manny, siya na mismo mag-oversee ng training eh. I do not know if that happened, but this is a must-win situation kay Jimel Pacquiao. And I believe he's gonna win this one. Hopefully though, impressive ang maging panalo niya and clear para wala na masyadong pag-usapan. But he looks good sa sa weigh-in. Let me know what you think, guys. Ano ba, nahadok na ba si Floyd? Manny Pacquiao, no excuse. Okay sana matuloy yung laban. Sana hindi magpahirap itong si Floyd Mayweather and Jimel Pacquiao, Pedro Taduran sa Saturday morning sa Pilipinas. Let's go, guys. Let me know your predictions sa comment section.